What's up, guys? Dakus here, coming to you with another episode of Lisa. Last time we found out a little bit of information on Rando. This time we're going to find out more information on Buddy, Brad's daughter. So, as you guys can see, the saving point, I just saved, actually. And she's still on the loose. Find her. Is it going to say, the world can be saved, find her. The future is now, find her. Find her. The world can be saved, find her. Alright, so it's true, the world can be saved, but do we want to save the world? Ooh. Rest here. Hopefully I'm lucky enough not to get robbed. Hopefully I'm lucky enough not to get robbed. I am. Sweet. Alright, nice rest. Oh, you found some horse jerky. Some more horse jerky. What's this? So I guess this is a place for people to go to and chill. Guess they weren't chilling today. Alright, I could switch numbers. Alright, gonna go up here. Yo, I'm tired of not having my bike on. I need speed. Brad said name speed is his game. Alright, we're gonna go all the way up first. Check out up. Very important, above. Okay, what's above? Okay, that's above. So we're just gonna go above and beyond. I like this song too. So far, I liked all the music inside this game. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I support it. I support all the music in this game. You know, I'm just hoping these are not one of those things like how you see on Facebook, like the gist, where someone's cutting a tree, cutting, and then it starts over with him cutting, and the tree never falls off. So I'm just hoping this is not that. Alright, this is from what you guys are gonna see. Like, I'm just gonna keep going up for another like 3 minutes. If nothing happens, I'm just gonna speed it up. If something does happen, if it doesn't happen, I'm just gonna cut to it. Probably do a jump cut. Don't know. Or I just feel that, you know, I'm not going anywhere. Probably not going anywhere. All that time. I want to jump off. I want to jump off so badly. Just jump right off the edge. Just all that time, just waiting to see what was up there. And a finger. Whoever was up there, just the finger. Sweet. See, you know, I just love the finger. I love just being flipped the bird. I enjoy it. Alright, so I am back down, and yeah. Hey dude, what's up? If only we had some TNT, then we could blast this smaller rock away. But that big pile of rock pile ain't going nowhere. What the? Oh. No. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm going to see what that is. First, I gotta save. No. What is this? What's going on? Whoa. Oh, no. I don't want to die. Dude, you good? He's clutching a record. Take it. No. He's clutching a record. Take it. You got an old record. Is this dude's neck? Oh, motherfucker. I knew I was going to have to fight him. Rat bitch? No, that's actually a snake. Snake bitch? Okay, so, Brad's not going to be able to do any, like, actual added on combos. So, you know, regular skills. Skill for you. I want you to talk about your TP talk with Olin. Olin, I want you to take, like that vantage point of, like, that crazy vantage point. Sweet. Sweet. Alright, so... Somehow I always get myself into, like, these predicaments. Rapid arrow, come on. Okay. Okay. Yeah. There's nothing in that. Don't even know why he started coughing up blood. Hope he's alright. Oh my god. Now he's crying. I don't feel bad for you. I feel bad for my teammates. They're taking the L. My ears. Sweet. Okay. Armstrong style. I'm gonna have you keep doing them rapid arrows. Alright, sweet. Fireball. I'm pretty sure they're not gonna like win. If Brad and like Olin win together, like that's thank you, because that XP is about to be good. But I don't see them winning together. Ooh, the way he missing though. Probably. Say no more. Shoot. The way he missing. All right, so I want to try reviving someone else, but at the same time, I don't think that's gonna work. Like as soon as I revive someone else, he's probably just gonna take a bite out of them and end it. So since they're both scared, there's nothing we can do. Oh, Brad took the L for that. Okay, and... Okay, Olin's still scared. Oh, Olin's ready to fight. Sweet. Alright, items. Perfume. I want Brad to be alive at least. If anything, I want Brad to be alive. Okay, so fight. Brad, you're gonna use, ration on yourself. You're gonna use your skills. Rapid arrow. Sweet. Sweet. Do that damage. Sweet. Alright, Armstrong style. Yes. I want you to do another rapid arrow. Do that damage. Okay, do the fireball. Do that damage. Now, Nerlin's huge. Okay. I'm just gonna keep spamming the fireball too because that seems like the best move. Yes! And we got him. Sweet, the XP was great. I need liquor. It's completely dead. I guess that's what he gets for clutching a record. Now, what did that record do? We will never know. Wow. And if that was all his neck, wow. See, it was a good thing I saved. I knew some freaky shit was about to go down. I knew it. I just had the feeling. I had the feeling in the back of my neck. I knew it. I knew it. Get down here. Alright guys, as you guys can see, that was just weird. I'm back now from a long journey. You see when I like fell off that cliff? Now I went and fought that monster again. Got wrecked. Fought him again. Won, but this time I decided to save, like, you know, restore all my teammates' health right under there. But as I did that, some group called the Pretty Boys came and stole Terry. So I had to kill myself. Then I tried again, died. Tried again, died. I died so many times. I died so many times. So many times. Like so many times. So now that I completely did it, I got a strange record. Probably that's gonna be useful in the future. I don't know, man. I just wanted the record. I'm just gonna continue. I'm glad I got it. Yeah, what's up, dudes? Don't breathe on the boss. He's a national treasure. Okay, the most handsome man left alive. These are the Pretty Boys. So if they stole him, I would have had to come here. You know what? I'm guessing. All right. First, I don't even know if they're actually the Pretty Boys. I'm guessing because if they're saying he's so handsome, he's a national treasure, and it said from Pretty Boys when they stole Terry, they must be the Pretty Boys. Pretty looking bunch you are. Then these boys. You need to lift more. Well, I know. Gosh, don't have to rip me a new one about not lifting. Meanie. Okay. Tower of Power. Too cool, too smooth, too sweet. I'm here to show the world. I'm here to show the world. Come on. My body listens to it. I hear the voices in my head. They speak to me. I understand. He's getting nuts, brother. Woo! Crush it, dude. Crush it. Eat, sleep, praise. Repeat. Squats. When testing your strength, tap the spacebar repeatedly to perform squats. Time to muscle up. Yeah, okay, so my action button is spacebar. Howdy, partner. You feeling shitty about yourself? Looking to pack on some mags? How about it, partner? I want to be stronger. I'm okay with myself. I want to be stronger. Righteous. How much can you handle? Lightweight? Let's do it. Go. Keep going. Fight it! I know, my hand hurt me. Almost there. Come on, Brad. Ooh, well done, brother. Gain 20 XP. Howdy, partner. How you feeling about yourself? Shitty? Learn how to pack some mags. Get stronger. Okay. Medium weight. Okay, let's do it. Come on, Brad. Come on, Brad. Oh no, my hand's tired. Okay, come on, Brad. Come on, fight it, Brad. Come on, Brad. Come on, Brad. First of all, he's deadlifting with one arm. I give it to Brad. I can never deadlift, even if I tried. Come on. Woo. My hand. Well done. 50 XP. Sweet. Alright, so we know if you want to lift, come here. Ooh. Alright, enough of that. Time to explore somewhere else now. Alright, Alright, what's good? What am I gonna be facing in here? One of these dark dudes again? Okay. Some creep in the shadows! And he's wasted. Alright. Come on. Another one of these creeps. Shadowy figures. And he's dead. Goodbye. Okay. And out this way. Okay. There we go again. Alright, if you guys seen that real quick, that was his father. Oh my god. This snake is too OP'd! Alright, dead. Alright, sweet. They're all leveled up? Nice. Alright. Who are you? Strange man hiding? Of course he is. I mean, like, yo. Strange man hiding is thinking. Alright, come on. Olin just did 600, so he did like 1200 damage right there. My disguise, it does nothing. Okay, so. Alright, so strange man hiding dead. Alright. Another snake. Alright, sweet. Come on. Alright, continue it on. Alright guys, another flashback. Let's see what this is about. Alright, looks like he's about to do... Alright, so he's doing drugs. You took some painkillers. Oh no, painkillers, not the joy drug. Where did you go, Master Armstrong? Is class over? Yeah. Sure, class is over. After you finish your homework tonight, practice your kata. Good night, kids. Dot, you okay? You've been upset for a long time now. Everything okay at home? Your eyes look funny. What's wrong, Master? Who are you, dude? Oh, hello. I swear I wasn't watching. It's okay. I see you here all the time. If you want, you can join classes sometimes. Really? I don't have any money. That's okay. Wow. Thanks, sir. But I don't know if I'll be good enough for karate. Well, we'll see about that, kid. Oh, that's a little kid? Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so that was another brief look into the past. Alright, sweet. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Alright. Ooh, that was a nasty bite. Okay, sweet. A spot to sleep. I don't trust it. Okay. You can't just walk out without paying. Pay? For you? Dream on, fuzz lips. Don't even. Do you know how hard it is to find decent razors these days? Besides, you're not worth it anyway. Like I even want to pay want a piece of you. Right, and why did you come here again? This ain't no lemonade stand. Ooh, so I guess that's a, where people can, get some, What the hell is all this racket? You messing with my queers, fat boy? You wish. You got nothing but dudes here. Oh, you played with a lot of lead toys as a kid. Newsflash, dipshit. If you want a lady, this is it. Beggars can't be choosers. But I'm lonely. I miss my wife. I'm not your guidance counselor, fat ass. Stop calling me fat. I'll squash all you bees. Little motherfucker. I'm a cross-dresser, not some pansy. Oh, shit. Is that a gun? Oh, it's a bat. Oh, shit, it's a bat. Put it on panties didn't make my balls disappear. So, best walk out of here now before we bury you here, bitch tits. Wow, I butchered the shit out of that sentence. So, okay, I'm sorry, ladies. Oh, on second thought, fuck you. Okay. Oh, pardon me. Welcome. The name's Queer Roger. Please make yourself at home. Alright, sure. Don't mind the mess. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay. Alright, so much room to excavate. Check out. Got to save first. Alright, save. Now, time to talk. Yo. What do they call us bees? Why do they call us bees? Do they fear our stings? Our work? I actually find it rather charming either way. I like the song here. Ooh, a bottle. Don't mind empty bottles. Alright, so would it be too much to ask for a muse? Seriously, what's a guy gotta do to get inspired nowadays? Okay, what do you have to say? Dude, I got no clue what you're saying, but I dig your shades. Alright, see? Shades, dig them. Duffy. I had everything inside you. My sweet, sweet Duffy. Hey, let me show you what a real man feels like. Walk away. Bye. He rode the bicycle backwards. Oh my god. Fucking love Brad. Okay, so how would I get down there? Because I can't drop down there. Can I? No, I cannot. So I guess I'm gonna have to... Wait, no. Does one of these rooms lead down there? I mean, like... the barrel's here. Oh, okay. I could go up the barrel. I could go up, but I can't go down. Stupid, but okay, I'll accept it. Alright, what you got? Oh, a store! Sorry, sweetness. We are fully booked. Can't add any more clients. Oh, it's not a store. On top of that, we're completely understaffed. Say, you look pretty desperate. How about working for me? I could really use your help. I promise I'll repay you somehow. I won't pay you in magazines, but you can keep the tips. What do you say, Peaches? Yeah, I figured. Good. It's nice that our community has been able to thrive. It's just a shame it's under these circumstances. Yeah. Yo, what you got to say? What do you need outsiders? Here for work or here to judge? Honestly, I'm trying to get up there to that record player. If I could get up there, that'd be sweet. Okay, no. Okay. That's... Brad had fallen. Oh, that's a dude? Wow. I keep thinking I care. Oh, can. Oh, bruh. I can see those fish folk in here. But I'm also high as fuck. So who knows? Yeah, who knows, buddy? Who knows? Okay, so... Alright. Okay. Alright, you can't drop down because there's no ledge to drop down from. But I can't get up there either. Okay. How would I get there? Oh, Brad's dead. Bruh. Okay. You know what, guys? Why not? I'm in. Great. Let's get you dressed up and in a room. I got a few clients for you. Whoa! Wait for a client. Leave. I don't think I could do it. I don't want to. I do not want to put Brad through that. Nope. Nope. But no. You know what? I'm just gonna continue. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what happens. Wait. I mean, like, wait. Someone's coming. Seriously? 20 magazines and this is what I get? Alright, whatever. Let's just get this over with. Oh, I can fuck him up? Bet! Carefully breathe fun secrets into his ear. Claw your partner like a little kitty cat. Loving back massage. I can't escape. I have no skills. Seduction. I'm gonna whisper in his ear. Back rub. He bit me. Scratch. Alright, that's enough, pal. Brad. Leftovers. Thanks. He gave you 3 mags. I'm sorry, Brad. Someone is coming. I'm sorry, Brad. Hey, so listen up. I left my family, including my stupid brother. I'm gonna start my own gang. I just need a name for it. What do you think? Deadly Kids? Decent Dudes? Susan B. Anthony Boys? Bruh. Decent Dudes. Yeah, that's pretty tight. He gave you 3 mags. Alright, sweet. So we got 3 mags for it. Leave. Okay. I want some. No way, creepo. Okay, so that was never again for you, Brad. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, so how do I get down there? These 2 doors lead out. It's stupid, but I guess that's how that works. Really, how do I get down here? Okay, I am stupid. Alright, guys, I figured it out. Sweet. Oh, that's the room I was in. Just some dude. Okay. Care for a dance? It's on the house. I would love that. No. You know what? Just go for it. I would love that. What did I expect when he said care for a dance? I guess. Not really. Oh, he mad? You don't gotta be salty about this, dude, but okay. Okay, rapid arrows. Okay, shoot. Okay. Oh, silly me. Oh, hell yeah, silly you. One, you picked a fight with Brad. You don't do that. Alright, put back on the music. Okay. Okay, so I guess that's it for this place. I'm out of here. I wish I really could have gone up there. I have that old record. Let's see. Oh, wait, one of our teammates. Oh, okay. Wait, so cancel. Old record. Okay. So I guess if we get a teammate with a record player, he could play it then. Alright, you're sorry, I'm guessing. Okay, let's see what... Alright, so we got another area for the truck. Let's see where that takes us. Area 2. Teleport... Oh, right here! Sweet. We were so close. She went in that cave with some weenie-headed guy. Then the damn rando army set off some damn TNT. This whole region's fucked with rocks. What luck. I never checked there yet. Alright, let me save. No, actually, I'm going to check there. Sweet. Go over. Okay. Nothing really here. Let's go down and see. Bunch of bananas. Alright. The innkeeper looks weird, but he's an alright guy. Okay. Alright, talking about weird. I say cured. Talking about weird with the way you looking. We are the banana splits. We pride ourselves on our flashy colors. Clothes, okay. Buy some. Buy some. Okay, I would love to buy some. Because I need some armor and everything. Haven't bought some stuff for everybody in a long time. Alright, whoever places that is weird. Alright, the shop is right there. Whoa, baby! Whoa, baby. I keep dreaming about a girl that looks like a cat. Or a cat girl. Or something. Cat girl, huh? Sounds lame. I had a dream about a duck girl. What a tale that was. And she was in some kind of super secret service. Oh, jeez. Alright, so those are references which I don't get. So, bruh. Sunscreen ideal for bald heads. Be for Brad. Okay. Spankly mask. Okay. By this time, I'm guessing I'm supposed to have like some crazy ass team. Alright, so. Food still remains on the blanket for you to eat. Restores HP over time. Mysterious oil covers this poncho, making it super slick to the touch. Highly flammable, so no. Okay. Child straw. Big enough to cover your chest, but not big enough to sleep under. Okay. So, buy 2 of those. Buy 2 of those. Buy a hat for Olin. Okay. Buy 1 for Brad. Okay, and 2. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Equipment. Optimize. Change. Okay. Nothing else I can change. Everything else will. Higher agility. Nah. Keeping that. Okay. Equipment for him. Optimize. Nope. Equipment for you. Optimize. Right, sweet. And equipment for you. Optimize. Sweet. Alright. So everybody's optimized. Okay. Alright, sweet. Let's go. I am not dealing with whatever is down there. Like, no. Okay, so what's in here? Yo, dude, fuck me. I'm so done with life. How can we live with no women? I mean, you can't. You're about to run out of population. I mean, you could, but I mean, the population would die anyway, so, yeah. What the fuck are you living for? Okay, savage. Sweet. Alright, up, and out. Well, guys, that's it for this episode. We did a lot of talking to, like, a lot of different people. We saw a little bit more back into, like, Brad's life when he was a karate teacher, teaching those little kids karate while still going through some depression or whatever because he was taking painkillers. Painkillers. They were painkillers. My bad. Yeah, painkillers. So, like, I don't know, man. Like Brad seemed to have gone through some hard shit, or probably he was taking those painkillers as drugs before the joy, but before his boy Rick was telling him about he was taking drugs to joy. So I don't know. This whole story is like taking a turn for a worse. Like it's so interesting. It's so interesting. I recommend you guys playing it. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, because I sure have. And I'll see you guys in the next adventure.